Vero Beach, it's Laura Zink with the Reynolds team here with some great tips for getting your home ready for sale. Top 4 tips to prepare your home for sale. Even in a hot seller's market like today, in which homes are selling so quickly, it's important to make a good first impression on potential buyers. Taking the time up front to prep your home appropriately can bring the greatest return on your investment. Here are 4 simple tips to make sure you maximize the sale of your house. Tip number 1, price it right. One of the first things buyers will notice is the price of your house. That's why it's important to price it right. Your goal in pricing your house is to draw attention from competing buyers and let bidding wars push the final sales price up. Pricing your house too high to begin with could put you at a disadvantage by discouraging the buyers from making an offer. 2, keep it clean. It may sound simple, but keeping your house clean is key to making sure it gets the attention it deserves. Before each buyer visits, assess your space and determine what needs your attention. Wash the dishes, make the beds, put away any toys. Doing these simple things can reduce any potential distraction for the buyers. 3, make it easy for them to visit. Giving buyers the opportunity to see your house on their schedule can be a true game changer. Buyers are less likely to make an offer if it's difficult to plan a tour or they can't easily fit it into their schedule. Making your house available as often as possible creates opportunities for more buyers to fall in love with your house. 4, help buyers feel at home. Finally, it's important for buyers to see all the possible ways they can make your house their next home. An easy first step to creating this blank canvas is removing personal items, pictures, awards, sentimental belongings from your space. If you're unsure what should be packed away and what can stay, consult your trusted real estate advisor such as myself. Bottom line, to make the most out of today's seller's market, avoid the temptation to skip over the essentials, which prepare you with these steps. Connect with a trusted real estate advisor today to discuss all the ways you can maximize your home. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and like our video. Thank you for watching. It's Laura Zink with the Reynolds team.